Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about configuration of dynamic routing using OSPF. So, this is a configuration. So, I give IP address for all PCs. So, here you see IP address for PC1 is this, and PC2 is this, and PC3 is this 3.92.168.3.2. So, we're going to give IP address of routers CLI. So here now and enable and config and host this router 1 and fa 0/0 IP address for that one is 192.168.1.1. So 255.255.0 and no shutdown and serial port of 2/0 IP address for that one is 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0 and that clock rate is 64000 and not shutdown. And here again serial port of 3/0 IP address is 192.168.10.5 and 255.255.255.0 and clock rate is 64000. Sorry, clock rate is 64000 and no shutdown. So we close this. Now you see here a green light and now move on to router 2 and enable config and host is router 2 and fa 0/0 and IP address is 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown and I see input I see 2/0 and IP address is 192.168.3.2 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown and serial port of 3/0 and 3/0 and IP address is 192.168.10.1 and 255.255.255.0 clock rate is 64000 and no shutdown. And this is set one and we move on to router 3. So now move on to router 3 CLI services, and here you know, and enable conflicting, and host is R3 and FA 0/0, and IP address for that one is 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown, and see dot 2/0, and IP address is 192.168.10.10 and 255.255.0, no shutdown, and the serial port 3 is yeah, 3/0, and IP address is 192.168.10.6, 255.255.255.0, and 0.0. Okay, so here I give 5.6 and now shutdown, and this is the configuration router. So now you see here all are in green lights, and now you're going to, so here we ping and check whether it's failed or success. Here you see it is failed, and then check as successful. Wait. And it's mostly failed, so now we are going to configure this router to OSPF. So here we go here, and it comes in. So here we exit and config and sketch route, and these are directly connected to the network. So here router OSPF, sorry, router OSPF 10 and network of 192.168.1.0.0 dot. So this is that one OSP. This is a directly connected network for a fast internet. This one. So and this is the wild parameters, and the area is 0, and 168.3.0 and 10.0, and that response. Oh, sorry. .0. So this is that one, and here exit. Similarly, we give router 2 also, and config, and here sketch IP route, and these are the national routers, and here router OSPF 10, and here like 192.168.2.0 and 0.0.0.255 0 and here 3.0 and here 10.0 and exit and here we close and going to router 3. So here we go, conflicting and switch and it out and here router OSPF setting and set of 192.168.1.0 and 0.0.0.255 and area is okay, and here 5.0 and 10.0. So exit and exit. So here we close here and now we ping and check and here to here I will show clearly. Yeah, it's successful that ping and here to here that ping is, wait 1 second, we'll try again. Now that ping is successful and here to here and that ping is successful. So this is the configuration of a dynamic routing OSPF version. So thank you for watching this video.